Be wary of people who keep on you but never compliment or support you. There's a big difference between constructive criticism and constant negativity. The people who genuinely want to see you succeed will challenge you when necessary, but they'll also encourage you, recognize your progress, and celebrate your victories. If someone is always pointing out what's wrong but never acknowledging what's right, it may be time to question whether they're helping you grow or simply holding you back. Success requires confidence, and confidence grows when you're surrounded by people who believe in your potential. The truth is, many people will tell you why something can't be done because they never had the courage to do it themselves. They'll focus on the risks, the obstacles, and the reasons to stay where you are. But the people who achieve extraordinary results are the ones who learn to tune out the noise and focus on the possibilities. At TruPowur, we believe in building people up, not tearing them down. We provide the training, support, systems, mentorship, and resources designed to help ordinary people accomplish extraordinary things. Whether you're looking for an additional income stream, a career change, or the opportunity to build a long-term residual income business, you'll be surrounded by a community focused on growth, achievement, and helping one another win. Your future should not be determined by the opinions of people who have never accomplished what you're trying to achieve. It should be determined by your willingness to learn, take action, and keep moving forward when others hesitate. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.